Hi guys, today we are unboxing a new mattress or bed in a box. It's called Tulo. Tulo mattress can be found in Mattress Firm, and Mattress Firm is located almost everywhere. I literally have a Mattress Firm located across from where I live. I went to the Mattress Firm store and I was able to even try it a little bit, not too much, just sat on it, and I have discovered that Mattress Firm now carries a bed in a box. Now the way it works is that they will come to your door and deliver this bed in a box in a professional manner. It's not just a UPS or FedEx delivery and drop off. It's something different. By that, I mean that they will bring a special red mat. It says Mattress Firm on it. So they don't leave any dirt behind when they walk inside your house. They also wear booties to cover their own shoes if they step on your own carpet. So that's something to talk about. It's really cool. They called me 5 to 10 minutes ahead of time to let me know that they are on their way to drop off the mattress. They give you a window by sending you a text or email. It's a 2-hour window to let you know when the delivery is going to happen. So we are available, and there's someone home to receive that mattress, this bed in a box. So this is really cool. Again, you can go to any Mattress Firm and try the Tulo for yourself. Today I have the Tulo in medium. This is the firmness level that I have selected since I am a back/side sleeper. It's an all foam mattress. It does feel super soft as a first impression, and it's a little cushiony, like it's hugging my hips right now. But the real test is when we sleep on it for a few weeks. It's also, I also have noticed how it has its special magenta or pink color, which is really pretty. So again, that's the Tulo. Come back in a couple weeks or 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, and we'll tell you all about our experience sleeping on it. Thanks for watching.